നിയമസഭാ തെരഞ്ഞെടുപ്പിൻ്റെ ചൂട് വളരെ കൂടുതലാണ്. നമ്മുടെ പ്രതിനിധി നിതിൻ അംബുജൻ അവിടെയുണ്ട്. മാത്രമല്ല ഖുഷ്ബു വളരെ സജീവമായിട്ട് തമിഴ്നാട് രാഷ്ട്രീയത്തിലുണ്ട്. മാത്രമല്ല ഈ തെരഞ്ഞെടുപ്പ് രംഗത്ത് വേദികളിൽ നിന്ന് വേദികളിലേക്ക് നമ്മുടെ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട താരം ഖുഷ്ബു പോയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഖുഷ്ബുവിലേക്കാണ് നിതിൻ അംബുജൻ പോകുന്നത്.
തൗസൻഡ് ലൈറ്റ്സ് മണ്ഡലത്തിലെ പ്രചരണ തിരക്കിലാണ് BJP സ്ഥാനാർത്ഥി നടി ഖുഷ്ബു. ഖുഷ്ബു ഇപ്പോൾ 24 ചേരുന്നു. മാഡം, ഹൗ ഇസ് ദ റിയാക്ഷൻ ഓഫ് ദ പീപ്പിൾ?
It's been brilliant. People have been coming out, and especially women. They've been telling me that I should win to represent their problems in the assembly. So I'm extremely happy about the response.
What is the expectation of BJP in Tamil Nadu?
Sorry, I'm not able to hear you.
What is the expectation of BJP in Tamil Nadu?
See, you shouldn't ask a BJP party person because we'll say our expectations are 100 on 100. So whatever the 20 seats we have got in all our alliance, we will say NDA alliance will win entire seats. We're going to make sure that we win and we form a government.
DMK is in very hope to begin the power. What is the reaction in that?
Everybody has the freedom to dream. DMK has been dreaming, so let them dream. They'll continue to dream. They have been dreaming for the last 10 years. They will continue to dream. Their dream is not going to be a reality ever.
In Kerala, the major fight is between LDF and UDF. But in Tamil Nadu, the Congress and CPM is joining. What is the reaction?
Not only Tamil Nadu, you look at Bengal, no? I mean, this is what you call about ideology of the parties. In one state, you fight against each other. In other two states, you want to win the election, so you join hands. So what kind of ideology is Congress talking about?
What to expect from the Khushbu in the constituency?
Solve the problems of the basic people. The poor people have been going to different areas. There are pocket problems. Our Chief Minister, Honorable Edappadi Palanichami ji has done an excellent job over the last 4.5 years since he took over as the CM. And I think people are not unhappy with him. But yes, there are pocket problems in the area, my area, Thousand Lights. You have a drainage problem, you have water clogging, you have water sumps are not there in every areas. You need pattas for the houses, what they have. And what I intend to do is I want to give them clinics. You know, in every pockets you need to have free clinics, especially for women, because women cannot keep traveling very far. So and I noticed that a lot of old women are there, so they need help. So we are going to get free clinics in every possible place.
എന്തായാലും അണ്ണാ DMKക്ക് ഒരു തുടർഭരണം ഉണ്ടാകുമെന്ന് തന്നെയാണ് BJP സ്ഥാനാർത്ഥി ഖുഷ്ബു സുന്ദർ തൗസൻഡ് ലൈറ്റ്സിലെ പ്രചരണത്തിനിടെ 24 പ്രതികരിച്ചത്. മോഹൻകുമാറിനൊപ്പം നിതിൻ അംബുജൻ, 24.
Number 1 Election Channel 24.